Hi, I'm Hangameh. In this tutorial, we are gonna make delicious meat borek that's super tasty and has an amazing texture. You can either dice or grate the onion, depending on your preference. Saute the onions in a little oil until golden brown. Next, finely dice one bell pepper. First, cut the bell pepper into vertical strips and then dice them finely. After the onions have sauteed a bit, add turmeric and black pepper and saute a little more. Then add the minced veal to the onions. After frying the meat, I added garlic powder to it. Then add the diced bell peppers to the meat and fry them together. Next, I diced the sweet peppers and added them to the meat mixture. Adding these peppers is optional. You can use one chili pepper instead. After frying the mixture, now add salt to the meat mixture. Then I grated the mushrooms into thin slices according to the video, but you can also chop the mushrooms into any size you like. Then mix the mushrooms with the meat and fry them. Next, add the tomato paste to the meat mixture and mix well, then turn off the heat. To make the bread frosting, add saffron powder and milk to the melted butter and mix them well. First, spread the bottom of your dish with the frosting mixture. Then cut the yufka bread to fit the bottom of your dish and place it on the bottom of the dish. Again, completely coat the bread with the frosting mixture. Try to coat the frosting mixture evenly over the entire bread. Then pour the meat mixture over the entire yufka bread and try to spread the mixture evenly, even in the corners, and distribute it uniformly. Then place 2 more sheets of yufka bread over the meat mixture and again coat the entire top surface of the bread with the frosting mixture. Then again put the meat mixture over the entire yufka bread and spread it evenly. Again, place 2 more sheets of yufka bread over the meat mixture and again coat the entire top surface of bread with the frosting mixture. Then again pour the meat mixture over the entire yufka bread. After that, sprinkle as much mozzarella cheese as you like over the yufka bread. Bake it at 180 Celsius for 25 minutes and then you can serve it. To make sugar syrup or golden syrup for sweets and desserts, pour 1 cup of water into 2 cups of sugar in a pot under medium heat. And let the sugar dissolve slowly in the water without using a spoon, so that your syrup does not become sugary at all. And also, the sugar must be dissolved in the water before the water boils. And if the water boils before the sugar dissolves, take two handles of the pot and turn the pot until the sugar dissolves. Until the sugar dissolves in the syrup, I'll provide some explanations about the importance of syrup. Syrup plays a crucial role in various culinary applications due to its ability to add sweetness, moisture, and flavor to dishes and beverages. In baking, syrup acts as a natural sweetener and helps to retain moisture, resulting in softer and more flavorful cakes, cookies, and pastries. Additionally, syrup is essential in the production of beverages, where it serves as a base for cocktails, smoothies, and flavored drinks, enhancing their taste and texture. Moreover, syrup is often used in confectionery to coat candies and create glossy glazes for cakes and pastries, adding both sweetness and visual appeal. Overall, syrup is a versatile ingredient that adds depth and richness to a wide range of culinary creations. Now, let's move on to preparing the sugar syrup. Pay attention. After the sugar dissolves, you can use wooden spoon. Add 2/4 of a teaspoon of acid citric or lemon juice to the syrup. Of course, it is better to use citric acid. And then add half a spoon of glucose. Adding glucose is optional and helps make your sweets and desserts shiny. Then let your syrup boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add your favorite essence. Here I added a spoon of rose water and a teaspoon of saffron. Then let your syrup boil for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, then turn off the gas. Be aware that the syrup will thicken after cooling. If your syrup is too thick, it will not penetrate the sweets or desserts. And if it is too thin, it will soften your sweets. Make sure to stick to the exact minutes and proportions I mentioned in video so you don't run into any issues. The concentration of your syrup is so important, and it should be the same as the syrup in the film. Like this.